Hi everyone, today we're reviewing a mirror with an LED backlight and a built-in 22-inch smart TV model AVS220BT. Play New Kingsman trailer on YouTube.
Playing Kingsman trailer videos on YouTube.
This model is especially designed for conventional surface mounting and can be installed immediately after repair on a VESA 200 on 200mm mount, or like a regular mirror on special holes that are located on the back of the case. The distance between the holes for surface mounting should be 456mm horizontally and 448mm vertically. The thickness of the case is only 34.5mm. The height of the mirror is 850mm and the width is 650. The weight is about 15 kilograms and 900 grams. The backlight has a cool white glow and is turned on by a touch button on the bottom of the TV. The matrix in this IPS model comes with full HD resolution brightness of 1000 candles per square meter, contrast ratio of 1000:1 and viewing angles of 178 degrees. Thanks to the super bright matrix, such a TV can be installed even in front of a window, and this will not interfere with watching it at all. This model is equipped with a digital DVB-T tuner that supports satellite broadcasting. The TV has two speakers located on the sides, one on this side and one on the other side. As I said earlier, this model has a built-in smart TV with Android TV operating system on a Cortex A55 processor with 1.5 GB of RAM and Mali 470 MP3 graphics processor. This is more than enough for a very fast working device like this. With the built-in smart Android TV, you can easily install all the necessary applications like Netflix, YouTube, and even games. The internet can be connected via Wi-Fi or via the RJ45 connector. You can also connect wireless headphones or gamepads via Bluetooth. All the necessary wired interfaces are located on the top of the device. 3 HDMI cable connectors, 2 of which are CEC support and 1 HDMI with ARC support, 2 USB ports, F-socket for connecting terrestrial TV and threaded F connector for connecting satellite TV. There are also VGA RCA connectors and an IR pass-through port for controlling an external receiver. The TV is equipped with 2 remote controls, one of which comes with splash support protection and a holder on the wall. The second one comes with the mouse function, which will need to be connected via the USB connector. The counterpart is located in the battery compartment. Also in the package there are all the necessary screws for mounting the TV on the wall, a user manual, a schematic drawing, a copy of the certificate of conformity, and a warranty card. By the way, this model, like all AVEL built-in TVs, has a 2-year warranty. Such a TV is ideal for installation not only in the bathroom but also for installation in hairdressing salons, especially in the ones for children, where the child needs to be entertained with cartoons while the hairdresser is doing his job. And such a TV can also be installed in any small room with a large diagonal of the TV is not required, but a mirror is necessary. You can buy this mirror TV AVS220BT on our official website aveselectronics.com and get it delivered by DHL courier service for free. Let me remind you that today we had a review of the new built-in TV AVS220BT from AVEL. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next video.